Good evening, everybody. Here to do a little afternoon tie-dye session. Just a quick one. We got one shirt. It's been soaking in our soda ash, or sodium carbonate, for a little over 30 minutes now. Gonna twist it up, throw some color on it. What pattern do you have planned for this one?
Well, now the plan, I think I'm gonna do a bullseye.
Bullseye, okay.
I'm trying to mix things up.
Alrighty. So a bullseye instead of a spiral.
And actually, what if we tried to do a bullseye on the front and scrunch the back?
Whatever you want to do.
Okay. Well, in that case, trying to figure out how to do this. Okay.
And then do a scrunch for the back. So we have a bullseye pulled through to the front, right?
Yes.
And a scrunch on the back. That's going to be pretty cool. We have yet to try to do one of these. We usually just do a bullseye with a scrunch on the bottom, all the way around. So, be neat to see. We like to experiment. Not all of them are a success. We do a fair amount of failure. See what we have.
Let me grab my dyes behind you.
Okay. What colors you doing on this one?
Bubblegum, hot pink, orange. Citrus yellow.
Dying.
So, do
very center of the bullseye bubblegum.
And then some hot pink on top of that.
Hot pink. Transition of pinks. And then what do we have there? Deep orange. Deep orange.
Always a beautiful color.
Oh yeah, we love deep orange.
We also decided we're going to do an SEC series where we do a lot of different color we do like a lot of different color SEC teams.
Yep.
I think that'll be very popular, or I guess college football teams. We specifically watch SEC football.
Yeah,
Because where
That's gonna
we're
be the
from,
first
that's
ones
like
we
all
do.
there is. So
Yeah. But we are going to do like the majority of the SEC teams. All the big ones.
yeah.
All the good ones. What was saying? They're all pretty much good. So. If you're into college football, SEC is the premier of the college football league.
The best of the best.
Man, isn't that just lovely? Speaking of cars, by the way, people, guess I'm gonna do another oil change video because I gotta change my oil again, and I think I can make a whole lot better video now. The last one was like the first video I had that got a few thousand views and got some success early on, so I think I'm gonna do another one and do it a little more justice because I think I can make a whole lot better one now. So we'll see. Look forward in the next few days, maybe a updated, smoother oil change video and oil change short coming in the next few days. What was the last color there, Citrusella?
Yes.
So
It's bubblegum, hot pink, deep orange, and citrus yellow.
bubblegum, hot pink, deep orange, and citrus yellow.
Yes.
What a
You
combo.
got it.
Candy corn. Pink candy
I
corn.
thought about doing some Halloween shirts
Yeah.
too.
We talked about the candy corn idea. Yeah.
You know what? That's
Autumn.
what we should do tomorrow. Is Halloween themed shirts.
Should we?
Yeah. That's what I think we'll do.
I want to do either a green spiral or a pink spiral.
Okay. To the drawing room.
To the drawing rack. And there it will sit for the next 24 hours until we're ready to wash it on out. Alrighty, folks. Y'all have a wonderful day. We'll see y'all tomorrow.